So when you're removing an axle, this race bearing comes with the new axle and you need to remove the old one. It's in there pretty good. Sometimes you can just pull it out with your fingers, but if it is jammed in there, here's a technique that we're finding that actually works. You take a channel lock apart, put a screwdriver in just like this to hold it, and you're gonna grip it like this. This is gonna allow you to kind of put one claw on the side there, and then you're gonna take a hammer and kind of smack that bar. Those little micro taps are gonna cause that to slowly work its way out. I'm gonna switch sides here. It does help to put on your gloves.
All of my history in my phone is all the wheels on the bus tool. Right?
Yeah.
They all pop up on my YouTube because the kids are always on.
You can see it starting to work its way out. It's slow working, slow moving, but keep a little bit of WD-40 or penetrating oil in there, and it'll eventually get it out. Oh, grabbing the wrong side. So remember, you're gonna grab from this side and you're using the screwdriver to give you a place to hold on to it. Okay, just like that. And then as I go, I'm tapping this part of the channel locks here.
I'm guessing we're making good progress, so I'm guessing we're 2 hours total, including packing up. And
That would be lovely. I've got a plug right here.
Woo!
Everybody give me a hand.
And that is how you get a race bearing out.
good stuff.
Hard work, but easy process.